If you've ever tried downloading a file in Chrome and got the frustrating error message, "Data is invalid," you're not alone. This usually happens because of a bad download location, corrupted browser data, security software interference, or even incorrect date and time settings on your computer. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to solve the Chrome download error "Data is invalid" quickly and safely. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first fix, which is changing your download location. Sometimes Chrome is trying to save files into a folder that doesn't have the right permissions, and that alone can trigger the error. To change it, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand side and click Downloads. Here you'll see your current download location. Click the Change button and select a different folder, preferably your desktop or another easy-to-access location. After you choose the new folder, try downloading the file again and see if the error is gone. If that does not fix it, the next thing to try is temporarily disabling your antivirus or Windows security. Sometimes, your security software can block Chrome downloads if it thinks the file or the download path is suspicious, even when it's completely safe. If you use a third-party antivirus, open it and temporarily pause real-time protection. If you are using Windows Security, open the Security app and check the protection settings there. Only disable protection briefly while testing the download, and always turn it back on immediately after. Once that is done, go back to Chrome and try the download again. If it works now, you found the issue. Another very effective fix is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted browsing data can interfere with downloads and cause strange errors like this. 1. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. A clear browsing data window will appear. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected, along with cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Give Chrome a moment to clear everything, then close and reopen the browser. Try the download again and check if the error is resolved. Now let's move on to a fix many people overlook, which is checking your date and time settings. If your system time is wrong, Chrome can run into SSL and TLS certificate issues, and that can prevent files from downloading securely. To check this on Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. Then click Sync Now if the option is available. Once your clock is corrected, go back to Chrome and test the download one more time. If you followed all of these steps, there is a very good chance the "Data is invalid" error will be fixed. In most cases, one of these solutions solves it right away, especially changing the download folder or clearing corrupted Chrome data. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next one, because the issue can come from different places depending on your system setup. If this tutorial helped you fix the Chrome download error "Data is invalid," don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.